Yeah. So we just went on a little hike.
We've been packing all day.
Packing all day, see?
We needed a little break.
Need a little break.
So we went up the road to Pierce Gorge, one of my favorite little escapes and hikes along the Menominee River, I think.
Yeah, Menominee River. So many cedar trees. Super cool.
So beautiful. And yeah, I feel a little bit more recharged and glad we got to appreciate a little bit of our local beauty before experiencing the rest of the nation's beauty.
It's like fixated in our minds.
Yeah.
Okay,
Like
this is what we
calms me
have.
down. Yeah.
The rushing water, the cedar, those cedar trees. I'm sorry. The mosquitoes. Those did suck. Yeah. But we were also testing out our little, those mosquito propellant bracelet things, and like we sprayed on.
But they don't work at all. I have mosquito bites literally between
all up and down our legs. But to be fair, it's a really old pack of like cheap kind of Amazon purchased things.
You might have seen it.
I mean, but yeah, mainly it was just to like get out of the house because we were all packed up for this month-long trip, and we are excited for it. But we also know it's going to be a lot. We're also trying to throw in some curveballs here and there, like black coffee without creamer. We're just trying to, because we're both really love heavy whipping cream in our coffee, and a lot of maple syrup maybe. That's me. So just kind of like to recalibrate a little bit, and yeah. Pretty much. So yeah, that's our little hike. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you in the morning for the start of this 5-6. The most epic. Oh yeah, remember. The most epic adventure ever experienced on YouTube. Ever. Anyway, if you like this little hike vlog one today, like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you didn't like or did. But give us what you don't like, yeah.
They're always quick to tell us the negatives.
All right, we'll see you in the morning for the beginning of this.